Hi, welcome back. This is the last part of the brand new cream blushes and cream lip colors. So this is the last one. Today I'm using this one down here, which is the Luxe Lilac. You can see I actually put some on my eyes too, which is not necessarily, that's not what it's for. It's meant for your cheeks and your lips, but I have been experimenting with it on my eyes, and I really love the purple one. I love purple anyway for eyeshadow, so you can see how pigmented it is right down here. I blended it out with my blending brush up above, so it kind of looks a little bit lighter, but down below you can see how bright and pigmented that is. So if you love purples, you might just love this one as an eyeshadow too. So we're gonna go ahead and let's get started. I'm going to be using today a cream color brush just to pick it up and apply it here on my cheeks. So you just want a little bit. That might have been a little bit too much. This one has so much color and pigmentation in it, so you need just a tiny bit, goes a really long ways. So I just put a little bit of that Luxe Lilac on my cheeks, and now we're gonna blend it in with the cheek brush. So I'm just gonna use this cheek brush, just kind of swirling it around, blending it around here. We are gonna use the all over powder brush too to make sure that it blends out nicely. So here we go, nice and blended so far. It's definitely brighter. So this is also the last video of these, the cheeks and the lips combination. So I want you to tell me down below, which one do you love? Which one have you loved the very most? Which one would you try? We've gone through all four. So some of them have been a little bit lighter, like the mauve and the peach, those are a little bit lighter. The berry is still extremely blendable, and it's a little bit darker, but it is extremely blendable. This one is also extremely blendable, but definitely more on the bright side. So tell me down below, which one have you been in love with? Which one do you like the very best? So there we go. Now we've got that Luxe Lilac on. I think it actually really dyes it down once you just blend it a little bit. And then it's got that nice, pretty glow to it, but it doesn't have any shimmer in it. So if you want to add shimmer, you always can add a little bit of shimmer. Here's what I would do if you wanted to add a little bit of shimmer. I would just take my powder or my cream... my cheek brush, I would take that and I would just add a little bit on the top of glazed. So glazed is the highlighter. It comes in two colors. There's either glazed or there's honey glow. The glazed is the little bit lighter one, so that's the one that I usually like to use. So you can go ahead and you can use that right up above it too. You can add a little bit to your nose too if you want to. But anyway, if you want it to have a little bit of shimmer, you can always add that in. But otherwise, these are just going to give you a really nice, healthy glow with no shimmer, which I'm sure a lot of you are actually really happy about, because I got that a lot, especially with blushes and things like that. You guys are like, I don't want the shimmer. I don't want it to make me look older. These are not going to make you look older because they are cream makeup, and cream makeup is wonderful for aging and maturing skin. So try them out. They're a limited edition, so grab them while you can. All right, we're gonna put it on my lips too. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I just used, the cream color brush, and I'm gonna apply it right on my lips. Again, bright, way brighter than I typically would go for, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. Tell me if you're a purple gal and you love this. I love how easy these lip colors are to apply. That is probably my favorite part. I love the cheeks too. It's so easy to apply on your cheeks, but I love how easy it is to apply on your lips as well. Especially with using this brush. Okay, let me tilt that a little bit. There we go. All right, there we go. All done, just like that. So super easy to apply. That is the best part about these, is how versatile they are. So now I'm wearing this on my lips, my cheeks, and my eyes. It's all one color. It all matches. Yes, it's bright, but it's fun. It's fun for summer. Tell me down below, would you ever wear this purple color? I'm gonna be honest with you. When I saw it, I was like, do I even get it out of the box? Like, I'm never gonna wear that, let's be honest. You know, that was my first impression. I do have to tell you, after using it, I absolutely will continue to use it on my cheeks and my eyes. My lips, it's bright, but there might be a fun occasion for it. You never know. But since it's multi-use, it makes it so much easier to be able to use and be able to have a little bit of fun with. So you can put the pop of color where you feel comfortable. If that's your cheeks, if that's your lips, you get to decide. And I think that's really fun. So anyway, this kind of wraps up the end of the cheek and lip colors. So now I have a video for each individual color. You can see me use it on my lips, my cheeks. Some of them I'm even using on my eyes. So make sure you check those out. And then again, make sure you let me know down below which one was your favorite. So I will have some more videos coming out soon with some more of the new limited edition products. We've got these brand new liquid lipsticks too, which are really fun. Easy to use. They stay on forever. I actually used this one the other day and it stayed on for 5 hours. That was with me eating and drinking and talking and everything for the whole 5 hours. And the only reason I actually took it off after 5 hours was because I had to get ready and go do something else. So I had to redo my makeup. I had to take it all off. So anyway, I'm really loving the liquid lipsticks too with the staying power that they have. But I also am very, very impressed with this cream makeup and how long it is staying. So anyway, this is part of the new summer launch. If you want to order these right now, they are not available on my website until the 16th. That's the first day that they will be available on my website. So if you want to wait until then, get your list around, get everything ready, and you can place your order right on my website on the 16th. Otherwise, shoot me a message and I can always ship them out to you a little bit sooner. But again, today what we covered was the Luxe Lilac. So it is the purple one. And then the other 3, you can find all 3 of those videos on my channel too. So thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below, like this video, and thank you so much. I'll see you back here next time. Bye.